Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Saitama from One Punch Man. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the nose. Let's start with the curve down, and then bring it back in at the bottom. And then a small curve next to it on the right here. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with a curve across on both sides for the tops of the eyes. And it should be about the same level as the top of the nose. And now let's add a curve underneath each one. And now inside each eye, let's draw a small black circle for the pupils. And then let's add a curve on top for the eyebrows. Now let's move underneath and let's draw a small curve under the nose for the mouth. Now that we have the face, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down for the sides of the head. And now let's curve it down, meeting at a point for the chin. And then a large curve on top for the top of the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move to the side and draw the ears. We'll start with a curve up and bring it back in. And the same on the right. Now inside, let's draw a curve up at the top. And then a curve underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the neck. Underneath the head, let's draw two curves down and out. Now step up from the end and let's draw a wavy line down on both sides. And then add two curves inside on the neck. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the cape. Let's start at the top of the neck and let's draw a line out and bring it down. And the same on the right side. Now from the bottom, let's step up and let's draw another curve going down. Now a line out and down on both sides. And one more smaller bump. Now for the next part, let's bring it in and we're going to angle it up and out. And then a wavy line back in to close off each side. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a V shape at the bottom. And then a curve on top. And lastly, one more curve going up. And that's it for the cape. Now let's move in and let's draw the shirt. In the center, let's draw a curve across. And now underneath, let's add the zipper. We'll start with two small lines down. And then a longer line across underneath. And bring it down from both sides. Now let's close off the bottom with a circular curve. and add a circle inside. Now for the zipper, let's draw 2 lines underneath and some stripes inside. Now top back to the top and let's draw a bent line on both sides like this. And that's it for the zipper. Now let's hop out and let's draw the pattern on the shirt. From the cape, let's draw a curve in on both sides, stopping here, and then bring it down. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start with a line down underneath the cape here. Then let's hop to the end and a curve down. And lastly, from the end of the cape, let's curve it down to the arms. And that's it for Saitama. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!